Drawnames App Tutorial Secret Santa Application. So Drawnames is an app and website designed to make Secret Santa gift exchanges easy, automatic, and fair. Instead of writing names on paper and drawing them manually, the app randomly assigns each participant a person to give a gift to while keeping it a secret. So it also handles invitations, exclusions, wish lists, and reminders. So your group doesn't have to organize anything manually. So to use the Drawnames app, of course, you can have it in your actual device. So make sure you download it. You don't even need to create an account. You can just start using the app. So now you're going to start a new Secret Santa group. So set up a celebration and start sharing with lists or start drawing names. Or you could try joining a existing celebration. But if you want to go ahead and create one, then just press the start sharing with lists over here. So let's say your name is Kevin. Let's put that over there and then continue. And we're going to add more people. So the other guy will be Lemon and the other guy will be Michael. What you're going to do is, let's say you're exchanging gifts with those three people, just go ahead and press on continue. What are you sharing wish list for? Choose what event it's going for. So let's say Christmas, since it is Secret Santa after all. Then just go ahead and name the celebration. And once you're done with that, just continue. The next step will be on when you will be celebrating the Christmas 2025 EP. So you can just choose whatever date you want. So right here, you can customize it if you want. But once it's done, press on continue. The spending limit on what each person should spend, you could also choose a custom amount, let's say 300 of our currency, then just go ahead and continue. You can also turn on notifications, get important updates about the person whose name you've drawn and the celebration. So let's just go ahead and turn on notifications later. And we're gonna change this actually to maybe somewhere near like 23. Let's say it's going on for later or tomorrow. And you can finally share the invitation via text, email, or any other app to other people. But once that's done, that's pretty much where you add the participants. So you can add them with the names and you can send them the invitation. Just go ahead and press on go to celebration and you'll be able to see the actual list. So how many gifts you can add over here. What is your gender as well, since selecting one of the answers below to find more specific gifts, your age, and the next one is basically the gift finder. You can just go ahead and choose if you want. You can search for your wishes as well. This is basically the gift finder, a wish list, so the other people will know what kind of gifts you'd like. And there's also actually a login section over here in the bottom right if you want to sign in with an email. This makes things easier when people tries to invite you or you try to invite other people. So if you want to go ahead and join other people or just go ahead and share your invitation. You have your wish list over here if you want, group messages, and finally the add gift section to pretty much whoever gets your list. But that's pretty much how you can use the Drawnames app. So hopefully the information of this video can help you, and if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.